I bought me this GSR 12V-15 Bosch screwdriver slash drill, and supposedly you get the drill, you get the charger, and you get an extra battery. So, and it's only 900 Swedish crowns, so I thought this was a good deal. It's not brushless, which I normally prioritize when I buy tools, but I think this is a nice complement to my existing drill. So let's unbox it and see what you get. So of course you get all this paperwork, one for the charger, one for the drill slash driver. You get some extra papers, let's put that aside. So here's a battery just laying loose, that's a little suspicious. Anywho, put that there. We get the charger, and we get the drill. About it. Oh, okay. So it seems like this thing you get in the box is actually supposed to go into the case. So if you have this Bosch case, you're supposed to put it in there, it seems. Well, I don't have the case, so I just throw that away. So here's the drill. Yeah, it's charged. It seems you get a very sturdy feeling. It's quite heavy. I think, yeah, the quality, it feels good. I mean, of course, you never know what's inside these things, but at least you somehow buy the feeling. So this is good. So it's you have two directions. It's exactly like my other Bosch drill, and you have the speed control. So, and you have the drill. You can adjust the what's it called in English?
It's kind of a release mechanism, so it will stop turning on a certain force.
So you have the drill position when it never slips, and then I suppose, yeah, you can put it in different positions here. Okay, what's more? You got a light. It's too bright in here for you to see. The only disadvantage seems to be that the light doesn't stay on after you. It only stays on as long as you press the button here, and that of course is a disadvantage because you may want to have light after you screw. But well, I suppose you can just put it there in slow speed, and you get the light. Yeah, I think that was a good buy. As promised, you get the extra battery, you get the charger, and you get the drill slash driver itself. So there you have it, the Bosch GSR 12V-15. Thank you for watching.
If you like my videos,
feel free to do nothing. Just grab a cup of coffee
and enjoy.